We are from Team MarsRoom, an architecture design and 3D construction company. My name is Eric.
My name is Iris. My name is Nani.
Our clients are those who plan to migrate to Mars to live. Our jobs are designing houses for them, sending the 3D files to the automated 3D printers on Mars, and constructing the buildings with MarsRoom mycelium before they set out from the Earth.
Why MarsRoom? First of all, MarsRoom can grow by itself. That means we can easily get them. We just need a small amount of MarsRoom mycelium to Mars by rocket, instead of large amount of concrete and steel. They save a lot of money. Secondly, the MarsRoom mycelium is natural and degradable, and there is less CO2 emission during its growing process. It will protect the Mars environment better.
How to print out a mushroom house? Firstly, we need to slightly heat Martian dirt to get water vapor. And then heat it further at higher temperature to get oxygen. Both oxygen and water will be the essential materials for growing mushrooms. Secondly, mushroom growing needs a warm environment at 68 degrees Fahrenheit, with oxygen and a little light. So the underground lava tube is considered to be suitable places to grow them. Thirdly, it will emit carbon dioxide during growing. So we must remove the carbon dioxide out timely and input proper oxygen into the living environment. Above all, we need to print the mold with heated Martian dirt, which becomes non-toxic, and grow mushrooms mycelium in underground lava tubes, which will be equipped with ventilation ducts.
I am responsible for designing underground living room. A typical design, there are two tubes to let oxygen in and waste the air out timely. There are 3 parts in each room. This is a mushroom dome and big aerated ceiling and a tent. Between the 2 rooms, there is an elevator up to the Grove kindergarten.
The kindergarten is designed by me. The elevator from Iris underground room leads to the airlock chamber of the main building. There are 2 doors in the chamber. One connects to the elevator, the other connects to the entrance of the main building. There is a protective transparent cover above the whole campus. There are 3 levels inside the building. There are playground, dining hall, office, and some amusement facilities like slide. Since the cover's protection function is limited, children need to suit up like astronauts.
We are from Safe,
Reliable, Great Hope.